you guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these beautiful strawberries. If you are interested, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so here are the things you need. Some white chocolate. I used about 9 ounces. A artist palette so you can mix your vodka and your icing color, some sponges, a stick, and some mini cupcake liners, and obviously your icing color. I have a red and a blue color and some vodka and some sprinkles. Okay, so in order to create that watercolor effect on our strawberries, we have to mix a little bit of vodka and icing color. If you have icing color at home and you don't have this specific one, make sure it's gel based. So meanwhile, I was mixing the vodka and the icing color. I was melting the chocolate at the same time. So now that it's fully melted, we are going to start dipping our strawberries. Make sure you grab all the leaves. So the first thing you want to do is dab a little bit of blue, and then with the other end or side of the sponge, blend it all out. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the red. Imagine you guys can create so many cute things with this method. Like, I can't wait to create more strawberries like these. I just can't wait. You guys should follow me on Instagram at Sprinkle Sugar Pop, because I will be creating more stuff like this. So if you guys are interested, go give me a follow so you guys won't miss out. By the way, I am editing this video pretty late. It's 1:16 a.m. so my voice is a little bit raspy, so please don't mind me. I am super pumped over this watercolor effect. I can't wait to create more strawberries like these, obviously with different colors. I have so many ideas. I can't wait to show you guys. I will be posting on my Instagram, so stay tuned. So for the other 6 strawberries, I decided to do white drizzle with 4th of July sprinkles. Are you guys celebrating 4th of July this weekend. Last year we didn't do much because of COVID, but I believe this weekend we are doing like a small like barbecue. We might invite a couple friends, maybe some family members. Not too big, you know, but we're actually doing something, so I am excited. I can't wait to eat. I love food. Are you guys doing something? Are you guys going out of town, staying home? What are your guys' plans? Let me know in the comment section. Also, are you guys buying fireworks this year? Am I the only one that has not bought fireworks? I always leave that till last minute. I don't know why, but like you'll see me on Friday buying fireworks or freaking Saturday. Like I always leave it till last minute. Almost done, you guys. I was going to use white crinkle paper, but I don't know why I didn't, but I'm glad because I like how the brown looks with these strawberries. I was going to leave this part of the video out, but for some reason I find this really satisfying, so I was like, maybe there's people out there that will find this satisfying, so let me just leave it in. We are finally done, you guys. I hope you guys learned something new and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do recreate this box, please let me know. Like, not let me know, but like tag me on Instagram at sprinklesugarpop. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for your guys' support. Have a great 4th of July weekend and see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.